Hello everyone, this is Manish and I welcome you all for the online learning program and I hope you all are doing well. So let's start with today's topic. In previous class we have studied how to read a 3-digit number. In today's lecture we will start how to read a number greater than 3 digit. So in the previous class we have seen the basic numbers. The basic numbers in mathematics are 10 and these are shown here. We have seen also the basic rules and the practice for 3-digit numbers and how to read them. Now we will see how to read the numbers greater than 3 digit. But before starting, we have some new basic concept, and this basic concept is about a digit 0. So 0, which was given by Aryabhatta, an Indian mathematician. In real life, we cannot define 0. 0 means nothing in real life. But when we say about a number, then this 0 has very useful value or very useful role. So the 0 has important properties. The first property is when 0 is attached on left side of any number, then it will not affect the number's value. Means here are some examples. So the first example is 06. Here in practical use we read this number as 6 only, but 0 is present here on left hand side, so we neglect the 0 of the left side as nothing. Okay, so when this 0 is attached of a number or attached to the number on left hand side, then the number will not change. You can also see the number 09, 056, 0879. 056 will be read as 56 only. So on left hand side when 0 is added, then no change in the number. But in the next property, when 0 is attached to right side of any number, then the value is changed. Change means here are examples like 5, 0. Here 0 is added to the right hand side, but when we are adding to left hand side, no change in the number. But when we add the number or the digit 0 to the right side of any number, then whole value will be changed and we read this number as 50 as 50. Similarly 340 will be 340 and likewise. Hence these are practical or the basic concepts about 0. But with the reference of reading a number, the place where 0 digit is situated, that place is counted as negligible, or that place is not counted in the number when we write in words. Okay, so in the previous class we have seen the base and place. Places were ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and more, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores and so on. So these all are places, but these below that the base value of every place is given. For ones place the base value is 1. For tens 10. For hundreds place the base value is 100 and so on. Right, so these are basics for place and their bases. So in the previous class also we have seen the basic rules how to start reading. So let's quickly revise the rules. First, when we get a number, first thing we have to do is find the place of that number for every digit. The place will be decided from right side to left side. First, we will start from right and to left side. Okay. After that, we have to start reading the number. The reading will be start from left side to right side with the places given to every digit. In the previous lecture, we have seen the three digit numbers. So there are mainly three places, ones, tens and hundreds. But when we talk about the number greater than three digit, that means 4 digit number, 5 digit number, 6 digit and so on, there are basic places are more than 3. Means in addition to ones, tens, hundred, there will be thousands place, lakhs place, crores place and so on. But when we talk about thousands place, there is thousand and 10,000. Similarly for lakh and 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So how to read that type of number? Because the place of any digit is common. Common means there will be only thousand only, as the digit is available on thousands place and 10,000 place both. So when we write the number in words, there will be thousand only. So the digits on thousands and 10,000s place will be combined. Combined means suppose we have a number 3 on thousands place and a number on tenth thousand is 2. So the total number we will write as 2 3 as 23,000. Similarly, when the numbers will be on lakhs and 10 lakhs place, that number will also be counted as combined and only one place lakh will be written while reading the number. So these are some special rules while we count larger number. So let's start how to read numbers greater than 3 digits. So the first example, we have a number as 5498. The first rule, we have to decide the place. The place ones, tens, hundreds and we have 4 digits, so the fourth place will be thousand. 8 on ones place, 9 on tens place, 4 on hundreds place and 5 on thousands place. So we have decided the places. Now start reading the number. On thousands place we have the number 5, so we will write 5 and its place 5000. Hundreds place we have seen similarly in 3 digit number, so we have 4, so we will write 4 and its place 100 and the last two digits means the ones and tens place will be combined. 98 in combined form will be written as 98, so the whole number will be written as 5498. Okay. Similarly, the next number we have 7862, so 7862 will be written as 62, so the number will be 7862. Next one is 8087. Now we have the place 7 on 7 digit on ones, 8 on tens, 0 on hundreds and 8 on thousands place. So start reading the number from left to right side. So we have thousands place 8000. Now here is the digit 0 on hundreds place. When the 0 is situated inside a number, so while we start reading, the number or the digit 0 will be neglected, so the hundreds place will not there in the number. Now the next is 87 and it is written as 87. So the total number in words will be 8087. Okay. Next, here is a 5-digit number. First, decide the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Now, the special rule: on thousands place there are two digits, 4 and 2. So, this will be read or counted as a combined form. So 42 in combined form is called as 42, and its place will be common thousand. So 42,900 and 06 is counted as 6. Okay. Now see the next example. In next example, the again this is a 5-digit number. Places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. Again, two digits on thousands place: 95. 95 is 95 and its place 90. 95 and its place is 1000. So 95,000. Here remaining places are 0, so we will not count that, and the final number in words will be 95,000 only. Okay. Similarly, we can write this number as 30 as 30,000. 0 on hundreds will be not counted, and 28 28. So the total number will be 30,028. Next, this is a 6-digit number. So decide the places first: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and lakh. So start reading from this side. 5 and lakh, 5 lakh, 2 5 on thousands place will be combined as 25,000. Hundreds place 7, so 700, and 7 4 in combined form as 74. So the whole number will be 5,25,774, right? Similarly, you can write on your own this number also. Now see this number. This is also a 6-digit number, right? First the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and lakh. Start reading from this side. 7 lakh, 30 as combined 30,000. Hundreds place is 0, so neglect it, and 92 as 92. So the number will be 7,30,092. Okay. Next, the next number is a 7-digit number. The places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, and 10 lakhs. Again, there are two digits on lakhs, so this will be in combined form 42, and in 42 in words is written as 42 and its place is lakh. Okay. Next, 7 8 on thousands place combined, so 7 8 in words will be 78 and its place 1000. 3 on hundreds place 300, and 80 in combined form we will write as 80. So the total number will be 42,78,380. Okay. Now see, this is a next example. It is also a 7-digit number. The places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. So on the place lakh there are two digits, 39 in combined form. This is written as 39 lakh. Now see the numbers or the digits on thousands place, both are 0, so the total combined form of thousand will be neglected. Next, the number on hundreds place is 9, so we will write 900, and the 42 last two digits will be in combined 42, so the number will be 39 lakh 942. Okay. Next, it is a 8-digit number. 8-digit number, its places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crore. start reading from this side. The place crore and its digit is 6, so 6 crore 82 on lakh. So in combined form 82 is written as 82 and its place lakh. 88 on thousands, so 88,104 will be written as 4 only. So the entire number in words will be written as 6 crore 82 lakh 88,104, right? So by the basic rules we can read or we can create any number, and for practice purpose some examples are given here. You can practice it on your own, and the reading number class is over here. Thank you so much for watching the video.